A few things. Now today I am going to meet a friend. नहीं गिरेगा छोड़ दो. Hi you guys, I'm in Bombay. I was in Goa yesterday and then I came to Bombay to meet my brother, and yeah, I'm here for I don't know how long. My plan is to stay here for like 15-20 days, but let's see how it goes. Yeah, I've been meaning to come here since quite some time now, and yeah, I really wanted to meet my nephew and like chill with him. So yeah, keep watching this vlog because you're gonna see some really cool stuff and places that I'll go to. I'm not going to vlog every day, but if I'll go out, I'll vlog. So it's gonna be all over the place like any other vlog of mine. So don't mind and keep watching. For some reason, I really like Bombay. Like I am through and through a Delhi girl, but if I have to live in any other place except for Delhi, NCR, I would prefer living in Bombay. So I always make sure that whenever I have the opportunity, I come here and spend some time with my brother and his family. I'm also his family, but yeah, anyway. So today I am going to meet a friend which I made in Meghalaya, which was my first solo trip. I went there for my birthday. 1 second. Yeah, so I went on my first ever solo trip, and that was on my birthday, and I met this beautiful, wonderful person there, and I'm gonna meet her here in Mumbai. We have been planning it for so long that whenever I'll come to Bombay or she'll come to Delhi, we'll meet. But finally it's happening, so I'm going to meet her. And yeah, that's how I'm starting my day. I am late actually by 10 minutes, so let's go. I hope I never came back after meeting my friend. It was so nice meeting her, and now I've quickly changed my top and I'm going to the mall to Bershka because there's a sale and I really wanted to go there. So let's go and see what I can find and let's shop. Firstly, I came to Victoria's Secret and got a few things. Now we are going to Bershka, and also I went to Zara and bought like one top from there. छोड़ दो नहीं गिरेगा छोड़ दो. Hi you guys, it's the next day and I'm wearing this beautiful top from this brand called The Rock. मुझे ये टॉप इतने टाइम से पहनने का मन था, but finally I wore it today. I am going out to Bandra side and I thought that why not just dress up because we'll be going to a cafe. I want to go to Bougie, but let's see if we get a table there. Otherwise we'll have to go somewhere else. So yesterday you must have seen me shopping and I bought this pant yesterday. I love how it looks. It's a very balloon baggy fit. So yeah, that's the fit. Now I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm gonna do my makeup, hair. You guys tell me whether I should be wearing this or not. I'm kind of confused. A little. Like it, but I haven't worn it in such a long time that I'm not feeling confident right now. Ready? Sunny is because बहुत धूप है बाहर. And yeah, let's go. Let's bounce. वेंट टू बूजी बट वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा वेटिंग थी फॉर लाइक 30-35 मिनट्स. तो अभी हम नेम लिखवा कर ऐसे ही निकल गए थे. एंड अभी हमें कोई गोलगप्पे प्लेस दिखी है तो वहाँ पे वी आर ईटिंग गोलगप्पे. एंड उसके बाद वील गो बैक टू बूजी. बॉम्बे में लिटरली कहीं पे भी जाना हो सारी जगहों पे इतनी देर तक वेटिंग होती है दैट यू विल हैव टू गिव योर नेम एंड देन वेट फॉर लाइक हाफ एन आवर मिनिमम. सो या दैट्स व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. Hi you guys, it's the next day. I don't know which day it is, but today we are going to Malabar Hill Trail. Our slot was booked from 4 to 5, but it's already 4:20. तो हमें नहीं पता कि हमें एंट्री मिलेगी या क्या है वहाँ पे. But I saw in reels कि वो काफ़ी सुंदर बना हुआ है, so I really wanted to go there. But let's go and see how it is and how it's gonna be like the slot situation and everything. So yeah, and after that we'll go some place to eat because हम सिर्फ breakfast करके निकले and it's already 4:20. Do you have to say anything?
No, ये गलत रास्ता हो गया.
हम रास्ते इधर उधर से जा रहे हैं और 4:20 ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. 5 बजे तक का स्लॉट है. सो लेट्स सी. मुझे नहीं लगता हम 5 बजे तक भी पहुंच पाएंगे. अंकिता, आपको कुछ इनपुट? ऐसे नहीं चल पाएगा भाई. हम अंदर गए थे चेक करने, यहाँ पे है वो, बट बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है एंड ऊपर से स्ट्रॉलर फ्रेंडली नहीं है एंड वी हैव अ बेबी विद अस सो वी कांट टेक हिम इनसाइड. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव स्किप्ड द प्लान ओनली ऑल टुगेदर.
अंजलि तो बस चपेगी, उसी में उसका पेट भर जाएगा.
हाँ,
उम्मीद है वो.
या So we have come to Nandan's for coffee after Foo, and the store is really very pretty. Like there are books all over the place. Bhaiya only suggested me that we should come here for the coffee, but मेरा गला ख़राब है तो I am having cappuccino because I can only have hot coffee and not iced latte. But he's having cold brew.
Nitro Americano.
Yeah, that's what he's having. So.